Well, the most valuable part for me is the ability to connect with not just the experts at Microsoft and Quest, but with all of the other, many of the other third-party experts, who support the Microsoft products and the Microsoft environments.
They're really great speakers here, well-known speakers that are from around the world, top in their class, so to speak. And the content that they bring to tech provide details about problems that are real world, that organizations are experiencing today.
This one has all the different functions of cyber and cybersecurity in one place. It's truly a conference of experts